In today's digital age, capturing your audience's attention is paramount. VideoScribe emerges as a dynamic tool, enabling users to craft captivating whiteboard-style animations. These videos, known as Scribe videos, breathe life into static content. They transform presentations, educational materials, and marketing endeavors into engaging visual narratives. VideoScribe thrives on simplicity and user-friendliness. Its intuitive interface welcomes beginners and experienced creators alike. The software empowers you to weave together images, text, music, and narration. This creates compelling stories that resonate with viewers on a deeper level. The beauty of VideoScribe lies in its ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Imagine a hand sketching out your ideas, captivating viewers with each stroke. This dynamic approach not only enhances audience engagement, but also improves information retention. Whether you're an educator, marketer, or simply someone with a story to tell, VideoScribe provides an accessible platform. It allows you to unlock the potential of visual storytelling and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Embarking on your VideoScribe adventure is remarkably simple. Upon launching the software, you're greeted by a welcoming interface. This interface guides you through the initial steps of creating your first project. Begin by selecting Create a New Scribe, which opens a blank canvas brimming with creative possibilities. VideoScribe offers a variety of pre-designed templates. These templates provide a helpful framework for various use cases, from explainer videos to social media content. However, for a truly unique touch, opt for a blank canvas. This allows your creativity to flow unrestricted as you build your scribe from the ground up. Once you have your canvas, the real fun begins. Add your first element by importing an image or selecting from VideoScribe's extensive library of SVGs or scalable vector graphics. These graphics form the building blocks of your animation, and you can customize their appearance to match your brand or style. With your first element in place, you can set the animation timeline. This dictates the order and duration of each element's appearance on the screen. Experiment with different timings and transitions to achieve the desired visual flow for your story. Visuals are the heart of any engaging Scribe video, and VideoScribe offers a treasure trove of options. The software boasts an extensive library of stock images, illustrations, and animations. These cater to a wide range of themes and subjects. However, while stock media provides a convenient starting point, it's crucial to use it strategically. Over-reliance on generic stock imagery can make your video feel impersonal and forgettable. Strive for a balance between readily available assets and unique visuals that reflect your brand identity. Consider using a combination of free and paid stock media. While free resources offer a vast selection, paid platforms often provide higher quality and more unique options. When selecting stock media, prioritize relevance to your message, visual appeal, and overall coherence with your video's aesthetic. Remember, the goal is to use visuals that enhance your message, not overshadow it. Select images that are clear, engaging, and evoke the desired emotions from your audience. Section 4. The power of voice adding and syncing narration. While visuals take center stage in VideoScribe, audio plays a crucial role in bringing your Scribe video to life. Adding narration elevates the viewing experience. It provides context, emphasizes key points, and creates a more immersive and engaging narrative. VideoScribe allows you to either record your own narration or import pre-recorded audio files. If you choose to record directly within the software, ensure you have a good quality microphone. Find a quiet space to minimize background noise for clear and professional sounding audio. Syncing your narration with the on-screen visuals is essential for maintaining viewer engagement. VideoScribe simplifies this process with its intuitive timeline. This feature allows you to precisely align audio cues with the appearance and animation of each element. When choosing a voice for your narration, consider your target audience and the overall tone of your message. A friendly and conversational tone often works well for explainer videos, while a more formal voice might be appropriate for educational content. Section 5. Polishing your masterpiece, subtitles, effects, and exporting. With your visuals and narration in place, it's time to add the finishing touches. Subtitles are crucial for accessibility and engagement, ensuring your message reaches a wider audience. VideoScribe allows you to easily add subtitles to your video. You can customize their appearance, font, size, and positioning for optimal readability. To further enhance the visual appeal of your Scribe, Experiment with different animation effects and transitions. VideoScribe offers various options to make your visuals pop. These include fade-ins, zoom-outs, and hand-drawn effects that simulate a whiteboard animation style. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to export and share it with the world. VideoScribe offers several export options, allowing you to save your video in various formats and resolutions. Choose the format that best suits your needs, whether it's for uploading to YouTube, embedding on a website, or sharing on social media. With your Scribe video complete, you've successfully harnessed the power of visual storytelling. You can now share your message in an engaging and memorable way.